Bon matin, mon ami. How are we all today, folks? It's a bit of another dreich, miserable day here in Broughty Ferry, in Dundee, in Scotland probably. So, we're off to work. It's 10:30. Here we go. Right, folks, here we are doing the final remix of my new tune. It's called Symbols and Stones. It's got map references in it, and what you're supposed to do is listen to the song and look at the map and find the site where it is and what it's all about. So here we go. We're going for it. Here we go. This is it. Solf. It's got a nice deep resonance to it as it pounds along in this 39, Land Ranger map 53, 39. Right, so here is the Land Ranger map 53, and the grid reference there 27, 39. But what will you find? You have to look at the map, and you'll find one of my favourite sites. And if you can't go there, if you're in the area, go there, and let me know you've been there. So, the song goes, Land Ranger map 53, 27, 39. There are symbols and stones. Symbols and stones. Symbols and stones. I've got to cut this bit out. There we go. Right. So that's it. That'll be on SoundCloud very shortly, probably in a couple of days' time. Symbols and stones. As usual, my songs go on for ages and then just get a wee curly kind of keyboardy bit at the end. There's always that. I always seem to drag it on. I never can just sort of finish my songs. Look, I mean, there's the guitar finished, and then there's the keyboard still goes on. It's another little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, another little bit, and that's it. Done. Whew, right now that that's done, what you have to do is you have to change the file format from whatever that is into a WAV file, and then I can put it onto the computer. So let's see if we can do that. So the song is just called Guitar. I've just put that in, but that's not what it's going to be called. It's called Symbols and Stones. So you do this, you press this button here. There you go, look. And it says, do you want to change the file? So you go, yes please. So you bring that down to there, and then you press enter, which is that one there. And then it does this little bit of magic. Doodle-doo-doo, converting. How old school is this, by the way? This is just so old school, man. There we go. That's it done. There we go. Press enter to complete. There we go.
And that is it done.
Yeah, so I said it's very old school, this setup I have. This, you know, this analog, it's got a flash card. I mean, if the flash card breaks or, you know, damages itself, whatever, then that's me lost. I'll need to, well, I suppose I can just buy another one, I suppose. But, you know, kind of at its mercy there. So anyway, there's the new song, folks. That is it. It's called Symbols and Stones. And it will be out just in a couple of days' time. So please do give it a listen. And if you can, you know, find out what's going on, where the song is directing you to, then that'd be great if you could go there and just have a look for yourself and see how great the site is. But goddamn seagulls, man, they start to congregate for some reason outside here now. I don't know why, man. We never used to have them, but look at that, there's 4 of them. Goddamn sons of bitches. Right. There they go. What are they all going on about? Yeah, they just seem to have started to congregate around this area. 5 o'clock in the morning now. There they are. Honestly, man, I'm going to go look for my BB gun, man, and I'm going to make a little sniper nest here. And you have to wait till they get really close. That's the only thing. Goddamn son of bitches. Right. Okay, anyway, so yeah, unfortunately SoundCloud is not letting me upload my tune at the moment, folks. Never mind. Right, folks, I'm just off to work, and once again, I've heard these seagulls. Yeah, you can still see them. They're over there somewhere. They're still there. There's seems a bunch, about 4 or 5 of them. Just, I don't know where they're living now or what they're up to. But I've dropped my Kit Kat, but they're starting to take over, man. They're just everywhere. Everywhere. Okay.